We are in.
Hi, we are in Launchmount. Me, Srini, me, Manoj, Srini, and Ram are the people over here, and we come to Launchmount to have a nice time over here. And we are on a cruise. And now Srini will be talking something about the cruise. Srini, how's the cruise?
It's a wonderful experience seeing waves and
Yeah, okay.
yeah, it's your turn. Enjoy.
Yeah, the cruise was really good, and I enjoyed it a lot. It was really nice after going to Glasgow, and we had very good company in Srinivas and Ram.
And what about the cruise?
Don't move too much.